Pyramid Time Systems products provide small business with the tools to track employee time. With the 3800 Auto Totaling Time Clock Small Business Bundle, including the 3800 Auto Totaling Time Clock, 100 time cards, 1 ribbon and 2 security keys. Track, record, and calculate each employee time with a uniquely numbered time card with columns for date and month, in and out punch times, total time between punches, cumulative time, and daily overtime. Time punching in or out is a snap with auto time card alignment. Protect clock settings with a tamper-proof security lock. Apply punch rounding rules including 5-minute, 10-minute or 15-minute rounding. The 3800 Auto Totaling Time Clock features flexible pay periods, including weekly, bi-weekly or semi-monthly. Enjoy automatic daylight saving time reset and calculate worked hours for up to 50 employees. Use the 3800 Auto Totaling Time Clock on your tabletop or mount on the wall near employee entryways. Track, record and calculate employee time with a 3800 Auto Totaling Time Clock Small Business Bundle.